In order to start using Skrapling, enter your credentials in our website and click on the New Job button. After that, just type the website you would like to extract the content from. Now is the moment to select the language you want to extract from the website. Select your preferred languages and click on Confirm Language Selection. In the advanced options, you will be able to include or exclude sections. As we can see in the video, the blog section won't be extracted from the website. We highly recommend to first scan the sitemap file in the website, as this is an action that will not deduct any credits from your account. If you agree with the content found on the sitemap, deselect the sections you don't want, and start extracting the content. If for some reason, the content in the sitemap is not correct or you feel that not all the URLs are in it, just go back and click the button Start Scrape. This action will extract all the content from the index webpage and will follow all the links in order to extract all the content from all of the URLs in the site. Please notice that this action will deduct 1 credit per extracted URL. Now you just need to wait for the magic to happen. Skrapling is extracting the content from the selected languages and URLs. Please be aware that the extraction will continue in your dashboard even if you leave the page. In order to stop the job, you will have to click on the Actions button and stop it. Once the app has finished crawling the URLs, at the top of the page, you will have a tab for each language you have chosen. Have a look at the different URLs Skrapling has extracted and deselect the ones you don't want to extract the text from. Head to the Actions button and select the Export Content option to extract the text from the selected URLs. Now it's time to select the format of the extracted content. Choose among all the different file formats and select your preferred export mode between 1 file per URL or 1 file per language. Click the Export button and see how the extraction takes its place in the Export section in your dashboard. Once the exporting has finished, click in the Download button in order to download the extracted text in the selected format. If we open the zip file with the content, we can see that the languages are structured into folders. Inside, we will be able to find the extracted content in the format we selected. Another useful function included in Skrapling is the option of exporting the list of URLs that the app has extracted. In order to do so, head to your dashboard and click on the previous extraction. On the Actions button, you will find the option to export all the URLs to an Excel file. This Excel can be sent through email or imported later into the app. Once you have the Excel file, you can choose to get rid of some of the URLs or leave the list the way it is. Save the file and use it in Skrapling to just extract the URLs listed. If you use a previous extraction from your dashboard, this action won't deduct any credits from your profile. Head to the dashboard and choose the previous extraction. Then click on the Actions button and select the URLs from the Excel file. Choose the file from your local computer and upload it to Skrapling. Only the URLs listed in the Excel file will be extracted. But this is not the only way to play around with URLs lists. If you have not extracted the content before but you have a list of URLs, you can build your own Excel file and import it to Skrapling. Hit the New button and click on Upload. You can download an Excel sample file so you can see which kind of format Skrapling would accept. Add URLs to the Excel file, save it in your computer and upload it. As easy as that.